Here's your first detailed look at the highly anticipated Xiaomi 15 Ultra, which is set to be the most powerful flagship in Xiaomi's 8 Elite lineup. Expected to launch in China this coming January, with a global release likely following in March, this device is shaping up to be a significant contender in the smartphone market. When it comes to the design, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra keeps a familiar aesthetic, closely resembling the Xiaomi 14 Ultra and Xiaomi 13 Ultra. The overall design language has not drastically changed, but one noticeable difference is in the camera setup, which has been repositioned. The main highlight of the camera array is a 200-megapixel periscope lens placed in the top right corner of the device. Beneath it, you'll find 3 additional camera lenses, a dual LED flash, and a selection of supporting sensors to enhance photography capabilities. One of the standout features of the Xiaomi 15 Ultra is its impressive internal specifications, which include the powerful 8 Elite chipset paired with a robust 6200 mAh battery. This large battery capacity is expected to easily last throughout an entire day of use. The Xiaomi 15 Pro has already set a high bar in battery performance, outperforming nearly every other flagship in battery endurance tests. With the inclusion of Hyper 2.0 optimization, the 15 Ultra will likely deliver similar, if not superior, performance, ensuring a long-lasting and efficient experience for users. Xiaomi has introduced the Dragon Crystal Glass 2.0 in the 5 Ultra, which is a major upgrade for the device. This new glass material adds a sleek and durable finish to the phone while also incorporating an advanced ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. This means that the device not only boasts flagship-grade hardware but also offers superior performance. The ultrasonic fingerprint scanner is highly responsive, offering fast and secure biometric authentication. Additionally, it is resistant to dust and water, making it perfect for everyday use in various environments. This combination of features is a significant improvement, further elevating the phone's premium appeal. The Qualcomm 8 Elite chipset in the Xiaomi 5 Ultra is incredibly powerful and sets a new standard for smartphone performance. Built on the cutting-edge TSMC 3nm manufacturing process, this chip delivers exceptional efficiency and speed. With its custom Orion CPU, the processor can easily handle demanding tasks, including high graphic PC-level games. This level of performance is a game-changer for mobile devices, offering users a seamless experience when playing the latest, most graphics-intensive games on their smartphones. The combination of processing power and advanced graphics capabilities ensures that the 5 Ultra stands out as one of the most capable devices in its class. For those who are looking for a powerful camera-focused device, it's best to hold off and wait for the Xiaomi 15 Ultra. However, if you're in the market for a flagship that offers great value without breaking the bank, we highly recommend the Xiaomi 15 Pro. It's a fantastic device that offers a balanced mix of performance and affordability. In addition to the 15 Pro, Xiaomi is also working on something even more ambitious: the Xiaomi Mix Z. This upcoming flagship is expected to feature a combination of advanced features such as gesture controls, pressure-sensitive edges, and possibly even voice commands. These innovations might closely resemble the concept Xiaomi unveiled a few years ago, but with significant improvements in functionality. The Xiaomi Mix Z will be powered by the upcoming Qualcomm 8 Plus Gen 4 chipset, codenamed SM8775, which is expected to launch around the middle of next year. This chipset will be based on the cutting-edge Orion architecture and is likely to feature faster CPU cores than the standard 8 Gen 4. As a result, the Mix Z will be a top-tier flagship, and it's safe to say that it will come with a premium price tag. Looking at the pricing of its predecessor, the Xiaomi Mix Alpha, which was priced at 19,999 yuan, roughly $2,800, it's clear that the Mix Z is expected to be a high-end device. Although the Mix Alpha faced some sales issues initially, Xiaomi seems determined to get the Mix Z right this time. If everything goes as planned, we could be in for an incredibly futuristic device. Rumors suggest the Mix Z could even feature a portless design with wireless charging solutions, possibly similar to the wireless AirCharge concept Xiaomi has explored. Additionally, the device is expected to come with an under-display selfie camera, a feature we've already seen in the Mix 4. In short, the Mix Z promises to be one of the most futuristic smartphones ever created, and it's one to watch out for. Get ready, because Xiaomi is poised to surprise us all with this incredible device. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. We'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.